Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Preeti here. Today in this video we will see how to find the number of occurrences or frequency of character in a string, or you can say how to find the duplicate character in a string. And thirdly, we'll see how to find the first repeated character in a string. So let's start. So here you can see there is a string called say India, and it is given in the program, and you have to find the occurrences of each character in this string. Means repetition means this is I, how many I are repeated in this character, how many N are repeated in this character. So we will see how we can do this program. So first we will see the logic. First what we can do is we'll convert this string into array. Means each character will be stored in the array. So here you can see 0 to 4, this is stored in the array, and you have to create an object of hash map. You have to make a hash map. Concept of hash map means it will store the key and the value. So here each character will be your key, and the number of repetition that will be integer, that will be stored in this value. So first you have to iterate from 0 to 4 when you find the first I. So if in hash map initially there will be no key, so first this I is not present in this will in this key. So what you can do is you have to insert this I here and its value as 1. Initially its value will be 1. Now next you encounter N. So again N is not in this key. You have to insert this N and value as 1. Then you D, then you have to insert the D and then value as 1. Now next you encounter the I. So here you will find the I again. So what you can do is whatever will be the value of this I, you have to increment it by 1. So here 1 will become 2, means I is repeated 2 times. Now next you will find the A. A is not present here, so you will insert the A here and its value as 1. Now you have iterated from 0 to 4. So now what you can do is you will store you can create a object of set, and there you can store this key set, okay, and you will iterate through it. Whatever value of the key is greater than 1, you can say that that value, that key is repeated or duplicate in the character. So in hash map there is a method to get the value, to get the key. This is the key. You can find the key here, and to put the key and the value you can use this method put. You have to create the object of hash map and then dot put key. You pass this key and you will increase the value. So let's see the program now. So here in this program you will create this class and in find duplicate character in string, and then in this class you will create a method called duplicate character count, and you will pass this input string from the main method, that is here. From here you will create an object of that class and you will call that method here, and you are passing this value, okay. And when you pass this string here in this method, you will create an hash map. First will be the character, key type will be character, and value will be of type integer. So you will create this object of hash map, and what and this input string you have to convert this string into array. So you will create an object of array, and you have to, by using this method input string dot to character array, you will convert it into the character array, and then you will use this for each advanced loop. Here for each character array, you will iterate through all the character. So first it will take the first character, and if that particular character is present in the hash map, if it is present there, then you have to increase that, you have to get that value and you have to increase that value as 1, and else if it is not present there, you have to insert that character and increase and put the value as 1. So we'll go through it will iterate through all the uh, character. Then you have to after that you have to get the key set from the map object of map. So you will get that key set and store it in the set, and again you can use the for loop, and you get the value as character count map dot get of character. Means here you will get the character which is here. See here it is, if it will ask you that now find the frequency or occurrences of each character. So frequency can be 1, 2, 3. So in that cases you don't have to use this if condition. In that cases you have to print all the character and its number of occurrences, and you can use this line. But if in this program, if they will ask you duplicate characters, means more than one, then you can use this if loop, means character count dot get of character. If it is greater, if its value is greater than 1, then you will print that value. So in this case, if you can run this program, you will find that E is repeated 2 times. So E is the duplicate character in this Preeti string. So in this program, the main thing here you can see in this for loop means if that character is present in the map, then what you can do is, if character is present in character count map, then increment by 1. Okay, and if character is not present in character count map, then you can increment by, you can put it as 1. So our third program is how to find first repeated character in a string. So for this, it means the first repeated character you have to find. Like in this, this is a program for that. What here, this again in this also, you have to convert the string into array, and you are passing that array here in this method. And here you can see you have created a hash set, object of hash set that will be of character type, and it will iterate from 0 to length of the string, length of the character -1. Okay, and then character for each string means for each character means for at I equals to 0 means at the 0 place you will take the character, and if that hash set has that character, then you will return C. Okay, else h dot, you have to add that character. So if h dot means if that character is already there, so then you can see that that will be the first repeated character. Otherwise you have to add that character. So this is for the this is the third program, and if you can see, we'll check the output here. The first repeated character is E here. So that's all for this video, friends, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please hit on the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.